Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat recently deleted. So here you will open the Snapchat app on this iOS device, and from here you will just move in the inbox section. So here you will just open the any random chat, so you will see there is recently deleted because it has time of chat. In 24 hours the chat will be cleared because it's Snapchat policy. So you will see every chat has been cleared, so you can't find recently deleted because application does not uh, provide this information of recently deleted. That's for community privacy. So you can also find in my data, just log in and see your data. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.